Hey, this is Gustavo, and with my classmates, Julia and Catalina, we're going to talk about 9/11 events. So, the first question is, have American overcome 9/11 events? Okay, from my point of view, some of them overcome the entire situation, but not all of them. What do you think about this question, Julie? So about the video, I can say that many American people can overcome the 9/11 events, and the reason is because the sequelas or consequence from this event in the American society and how that changed their life and the way like it changed their life. So we were watching the video how that the 9/11 it's influencing and still today the way that people live their life. It's so hard or matter because that was 15 years ago and American people not overcome yet. And I can understand that, and how you can separate such an funny events from your life, you know. So what do you think, Cornelia Catalina, about the question?
Okay, guys, it is an attack that has not been easy to forget. Every year, Americans remember the number of innocent victims and the anguish that the attack caused. And many people publish photographs of the victims and missing persons at ground zero. A witness stated that I could not forget the faces of the innocent victims who were killed. His photos are everywhere on phone booths, traffic lights, subway station walls. This situation is similar to a big funeral, with people who are silent, quiet, and sad. Guys, what is your opinion about that second question? Are Americans still concerned about terrorist threats? In my opinion, if one continues to live in fear of experience another attack of such as magnitude as that of 11 September, and the losses generated by the attack were money, materially and humanly, since the government warns that it remains concerned about the continuous threats of terrorist attacks, demonstration and other violent acts against cities and interests of American citizens. Foreign commentary has raised the alarm, and the State Department is warning of reports that suggest the Al Qaeda and affiliate organizations are planning terrorist attacks against the United States interests in various regions, including Europe, Asia, Africa, and the Middle East. Uh, and you, Gus, what are your opinion?
My view is that yes, because they live in a country where they feel secure, but they don't feel that way anymore. And what do you think about this question, Jolie? So I continue myself my opinion on the video, and I say, of course, American people are still concerned about their streets because that even showed them like actually their country now is secure a lot, or the way they were thinking, and about that, how you can watch out the video, this old man what decided his life as a prisoner in his own jail, and he showed us that how afraid to or even equal or biggest, and about the third question, say, how have Muslim and American life changed after the 9/11 events? So my answer is the Muslims in American society are the most affected of this event. And I can say that in the reason is because they are the principal sector from this war. And the American people say many pain in his heart, and I feel like they can confidence to Muslim people after of events they are discriminated being create their own world inside New York because it is hard to try to be friends with people that what consider you like enemy, you know. And
Okay, Yuli. The daily life of American citizens has not really changed, but they stay informed about any internal or external conflict in their country and the daily news pay more attention to the people around them and distance themselves from criminals and even immigrants. Foreigners and people of other ethnic or religions orients at the current focus of districts of the citizens of a country that before September 11 relied of the national defense of their country. For Muslims, life has changed completely. They are discriminated against or regent because of their origin. Since the native citizens are in a constant state of alert at home, at war, or on the road from the potential enemies. And you, Gus, what's your opinion?
Mm, I think that their life changes in different ways because in the case of the Muslims, some of them were separate from their families, also suffer discrimination, and in the case of the American, I think they start to feel insecure in their own country. Here is the fourth question. Says, what is the American government doing to reduce the trade feelings of the community? Mm, I think that they increase surveillance of the security. What do you think, Lee?
Okay, the discussion about security in relations to the threat is also very important in contemporary theories on international relations, in that security can be defined in positive or negative terms. Due to the human rights violations that have been committed in the United States on a recurrent basis, the following question arises: is the national security strategy of the United States complete with and it is effective so that the community is calm? The United States national security strategy address foreign policies, national defense, economy relations, and I policy to the third countries. Its function is protect the homeland Americans and the American okay, way of life, promote the prosperity of America and keep the pace. Okay. Okay. Yes. Yes. Continue. Okay.
My opinion is the some pollution is that there has been frustration about the entire situation with the result of the works and the effort and expenses. So there are so many problems there.
Okay, guys. Max Weber tells us that unnecessary warranted of the provision of war together with the legitimacy of self-defense, being impossible without it to ensure the provision itself and therefore the maintenance of peace. It is the same implication expressed in criminal law, which links in internal legal systems the prohibition and prevention of crimes. Thank you, guys.
Thank you guys. So nice to have this chat with all of you guys.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.